Your patio is more than just an outdoor area. It's an extension of your home, a place to relax, entertain, and unwind. But before choosing the perfect furniture, it's essential to evaluate your space. First, consider the size and shape of your patio. A small patio might benefit from foldable chairs and compact tables, while a spacious one can accommodate lounge seating and dining sets. Next, think about the purpose of your patio. Is it a cozy retreat for morning coffee, a lively space for weekend barbecues, or a mix of both? Defining its function will help you choose the right furniture. Finally, determine your budget. Patio furniture comes in a wide price range, so it's important to strike a balance between affordability and quality. Investing in durable, long-lasting pieces can save you money in the long run. Choosing the right furniture. Once you have a plan, it's time to choose the furniture that best suits your needs. Seating. Whether it's a sectional, sofa, armchairs, or a simple bench, ensure there's enough seating for your family and guests. If you love outdoor meals, consider a sturdy dining table with comfortable chairs. Recliners, day beds, or hammocks can turn your patio into a relaxing oasis. When selecting furniture, also consider the style of your home and your personal aesthetic. A sleek, modern home pairs well with metal or minimalist designs, while a rustic patio looks best with wooden or wicker furniture. And don't forget durability. Choose weather-resistant furniture that can withstand rain, sun, and changing temperatures. Investing in UV-resistant cushions and rust-proof materials ensures your furniture lasts for years. Material matters. The material of your furniture affects its comfort, maintenance, and longevity. Let's break down the most common options. Wicker, lightweight, and stylish. Perfect for a cozy and natural look. However, synthetic wicker is a better choice for durability and weather resistance. Metal. Sleek and modern, metal furniture like aluminum or stainless steel is strong and weatherproof. Just ensure it's rust resistant. Wood. Timeless and elegant, wood like teak or eucalyptus is naturally durable but requires regular maintenance to prevent fading and cracking. Plastic. Affordable and lightweight plastic furniture is easy to clean and move, though it may not be as stylish or long-lasting as other materials. Look for materials resistant to fading, rust, and mold to keep your patio looking fresh and inviting year-round. Comfort and functionality. A beautiful patio is great, but a comfortable one is even better. Invest in plush cushions and seating to make your outdoor space as cozy as your indoor living room. Look for adjustable features like recliners or extendable tables to add versatility. Enhance comfort with accessories like ottomans, throw pillows, and outdoor blankets for a touch of warmth and style. Comfortable furniture encourages you to spend more time outdoors, whether it's for lounging with a book or hosting a dinner party, creating a welcoming atmosphere. Now, let's bring everything together with the finishing touches. Use color and texture to create an inviting space. Mix and match cushions, rugs, and decorative elements for a stylish look. Add plants and flowers to bring a refreshing, natural feel to your patio. Hanging plants, potted flowers, or even a small herb garden can liven up the space. Incorporate lighting for both ambiance and safety. String lights, lanterns, and solar-powered path lights can transform your patio into a cozy retreat, perfect for evening relaxation. Choosing the right patio. Furniture about balancing style, comfort, and durability. By understanding your space, selecting the right materials, and adding cozy touches, you can create the perfect outdoor retreat that you'll love spending time in. Which patio style suits you best? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more garden and outdoor living tips. See you in the next video.